Hey there! I put together a small proof of concept for a streaming device that runs on very little hardware. The whole stack is a Nordic NRF Wi-Fi chip, an ST microcontroller, external SD-RAM, and a neat touchscreen display. Without the display, the system draws about 850 milliwatts. The screen itself adds another watt at full brightness. This one's 720 by 720 pixels and supports 6-bit color by channel. I'm using LXQt with Fluxbox for testing, browsing the web, Wikipedia, Reddit, or stream from Linux system. And yeah, you can even launch Steam. I was surprised to see some games actually work at this resolution. Tried some games, Hotline Miami, Kerbal Space Program, Limbo. I never plan to actually play games with this device, but from what I see, after my next iteration, I'm pretty sure this can be done with any game that my server can handle. For testing, I'm using a keyboard directly connected to the server. I haven't implemented touchscreen yet, but will do. This is all software encoded and decoded, and I'm honestly surprised by the speed. For a smart home controller, a custom interface, it works really well. But to be fair, it's not fast enough for smooth video or gaming. Not yet. Next up, I plan to replace the microcontroller and the SD-RAM with an FPGA and HyperRAM. That should cut decoding time to under 20 milliseconds per frame at 100 MHz system clock. Eventually, in the long run, I want to support multiple displays through an FPGA bridge, so you can reuse the whole pipeline in multiple projects. For example, you could build anything from a smartwatch to a tiny gaming console or just a nice little dashboard. I'm sharing this to see if it resonates with others. There's still a lot to do, but it's totally doable. If enough of you are interested, I might publish documented code and sell some hardware dev kits, so you can integrate them in your own projects, hobbies, startup, whatever. Head over to gitzian.com for updates and more info. See you!